There are two kinds of points. Two kinds of points can be represented in the Cartesian system. The first kind of points is collinear points. Collinear points. What is the meaning of collinear points? Collinear points means the points which lie in the same line. The points which lie on the same line. On the same line, right? On the same line, those points should be there. I mean, for example, I have got one point here, another point here. I mean, I can join them with the help of a line. No, look at this. I mean, these 2 points, whatever points are there, for example, point A and point B, they are on the same line, correct? If I choose another 2 points, for example, another 2 points here, so again these are going to be collinear, because if you name it as x and y, so they are going to be collinear, no? So 2 points taken are always collinear. 2 points taken are always collinear, right? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? I mean, 2 points, whenever you take in any Cartesian system, I mean, x-axis or y-axis, for example, if you take this as a y-axis and this as the x-axis, here is the x and y-axis, you take any 2 points. I mean, you can get into, these are all axes, 4 axes also. If you take any point here or here, I mean, these are the 2 points, means they are going to be collinear. Look at this, they are going to lie in the same line. If you take one point here and another point here, they are going to be collinear. So that's why what I'm trying to say is that 2 points are always collinear. They are going to be always collinear. But 3 points, is there any chance that 3 points are going to be always collinear? No, they can be collinear. For example, one point, another point, another point. Look at this here, line is also there. This reference line is also there here. In the video only, this in page only, this reference line is there. So these are going to be the collinear points for sure. All right, so what is this? This is A, this is B, this is C. But how about this? For example, one point is here, another point is here, and one more point is here. See here, these 2 points, whatever these 2 points are there, no, this point and this point, they are collinear. This point, they are collinear. This point and this point, they are collinear. But together, all these are not collinear. For example, I name it as A, B, C. AC are collinear, BC are collinear, AB are collinear, but ABC altogether they are not collinear. So if you join them, so what you will get? If you join them, you are going to get a triangle. Look at this. So ABC is a triangle. So basically, triangle means, what is this? A triangle means, I mean, if you see at the proper definition, it is a three-sided closed figure. Three-sided closed figure formed by three non-collinear points. Formed by three non-collinear points. To form the triangle, what should be there? Three non-collinear points should be there. Must be there. I can say must be there. If non-collinear points are not there, if collinear points are there, for example, A point and B point and C point, these are going to be the collinear points, right? So if there are collinear points are there, means, I mean, if there are any collinear points, then there cannot be any triangle. Triangle cannot be formed. So that's why, based upon this, how to check a collinearity of points? For example, these are non-collinear points, means this triangle is formed, means it is having some area, right? Triangle is there, means some area is there. If at all, these points are collinear, means there is no triangle. No triangle means, what is the area of this triangle? Area is equal to 0. All right. So if they ask you in the exam, check whether check whether points 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4 and 5 comma 6 are collinear or not. If they're asking this question, you have to check whether they're collinear or not. So what you have to do, you have to assume that these are the vertices of the triangle, right? So call this as 2 comma 3 and this one as 3 comma 4 and this one as 5 comma 6. I don't know whether these are collinear or not. Let me name them as ABC, and we have to call this as x1 y1, and this one we can call it as x2 y2, and this one we can call it as x3 y3. Right now we have to find area of this triangle. correct. So if this area of triangle is coming to be 0 means, so these points are going to be collinear, because I told you collinear point means, I mean if there are collinear points means here are the collinear points, no, a b c, no triangle and area is going to be 0. You find out the area. In the last video I explained you how to find area of the triangle. Now area of the triangle, if you write area of triangle abc, what is the formula for this? The formula is going to be 1 by 2 bracket x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. All right, so this is the area of the triangle. Now you apply all these coordinates. 1 by 2 bracket, what is x1 here? X1 is 2. All right, so 2 bracket, what is y2? Y2 is 4 and y3 is 6, so it is going to be 4 minus 6 plus x2. What is the value of x2? X2 is going to be 3, so 3 bracket y1 minus y2. Y1 is 3 and y2 is 4, so it is going to be 3 minus 4 plus what is x3? X3 is 5, right? So 5 bracket y1. What is y1? Y1 is 3 here, so 3 bracket or 3 minus then y2 is 4, so this is going to be 3 minus 4. All right, correct. I hope everybody got this, what I'm trying to say. All right, so all these points you have substituted. I think there is something missing here. Just check once. So x1 is a 2, okay. Then y2 minus y3, y2 y3 is 4 minus 6, this is also fine. Plus x2, what is x2? 3 is there, that is fine. Then y3 is a 6. Look at this, so y3 is 6. So these kind of mistakes we are not supposed to make. We should be very very careful about all these things. So what is this y3? So what is the value of y3? Once again y3 is 6. 6 minus what is y1? Y1 is 3 here, okay. This is also 3. I thought, I mean there is some missing here, so that's why I checked it back. Even you should do the same thing in the exam, dear children. Whenever something is missing, no, you should be able to check it back immediately, correct? No, otherwise the entire answer will be wrong. So then x3 is 5, then bracket y1 minus y2. What is y1? Y1 is 3 and y2 is 4. This is fine. All right, then moving forward, so it is going to be 1 by 2 bracket 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 5 into minus 1. All right, so then it becomes what? 1 by 2 bracket 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, then it becomes minus 9, then minus 5, correct? No, so all these things when you get to know about that. 1 by 2 bracket, every calculation is fine, no? And one more mistake we have made here. What is that? 6 minus 3 is going to be 3. All right, so this is going to be plus 9. All right, minus 4 and minus 5 is going to be minus 9. Minus 9 plus 9, so then I'm going to get it as 1 by 2 bracket 0. So this is going to be 0. So area of the triangle ABC is 0 means the triangle is not formed at all. So here is the point A, here is the point B, here is the point C. If you join them through the line, I mean there is no triangle means the area of the triangle is going to be 0. So if I'm getting that, then definitely I can say therefore points are, or given points are collinear. All right, dear children, here whatever mistakes we have made while substitution, all right, in a hurry burry you should not make these mistakes, and you should be very very careful in substituting these values. 4 minus 6 I put it as minus 2, and 6 minus 3 also I was putting it as minus 3, but it is not minus 3, it is plus 3, right? So that mistake we made and we rectified it also. All right, so keep on watching all these videos. These short videos will help you to understand all the concepts, okay? Then so if you are finding these videos very useful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and definitely you can subscribe to the channel so that we keep on making these kind of short videos for you, so that you understand all the concepts. Thank you very much. Have a good day and bye bye.